I'm making dinner and I thought I'd just share a quick easy dinner idea with you. I'm just making the Olive Garden copycat minestrone soup, and so in my Dutch oven here I have chopped up celery, carrots, zucchini, and onions. It's probably a lot of vegetables, but I was trying to get rid of what I had that was about ready to go bad. So what I'm going to do is saute all of this up, and then once it's sauteed for like 10 minutes, then I will add these and some chicken broth. And then once it's simmered for a good, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes, then I'll put the noodles in and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. This is such a good meal for the kind of day we're having. If you can see out there, it's just super gloomy and freezing cold. We still have snow. This is Thursday, so it hasn't quite melted all the way off, but it's supposed to warm back up into the 50s next week, so it'll get warmer, but right now it's still freezing cold. Okay, so in there I have sauteed everything. I had to get a bigger pot, so I have drained my beans. I have 2 cans of white beans and 2 cans of red beans, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning and 2 tablespoons of basil, and then this whole thing of chicken broth, and then 2 cups of water. And I'm just going to let it simmer. It's 4:30 now. We won't be eating till around 6. So, and then I don't cook my noodles in the soup. I'm going to cook them on the side and then put them in so it doesn't get mushy. I'm going to serve the soup with a little bit of cheese on top, and then I'm going to bake this. I got this at Costco. I've never tried it yet, so I will let you know what we think. But you just bake it in the oven. You get 3 loaves, and they're supposed to store for a while. So I'll let you know what I think of those. This is what it looks like after I get done making reels and videos and all the things. It's a ginormous mess. So I'm gonna clean this up. I showed you I have dinner going on the stove, and I'm just gonna clean up, do the dishes, and that's it. We have a football game, so that's what my night will entail. I kind of want to go to Ulta because I just feel like I need to start taking better care of my skin. I want to get some skincare. But also, I'm terrible about washing my face at night. So anyway, that's what I've been thinking about while I've been creating this giant mess. But let's clean it up and put things back together. I completely deconstructed this tray. So let's put it back together, clean up. Maybe we'll go to Ulta. I don't know. We'll see.
Perfect. Perfect.
Well, I just broke this. It's all cracked. I'm surprised it didn't like shatter. But I do have another one, an extra one. So I'll just use that, no big deal. Kind of a bummer though. Here's our dinner and the bread. It actually looks pretty good. Tastes good. Just put a little butter on there. We're gonna enjoy this with the Diet Coke, of course. And then we're gonna have to clean it all up. The joys of motherhood, right? All right, we're back from Ulta and I thought I'd show you what we got. For some reason, well, I didn't buy any skincare, even though that's what I told you that I wanted. I didn't buy any. They finally had my hair oil in stock. If you don't use this, why aren't you focusing? I don't know why it's not focusing, but it's so good. I'll leave it linked below, but they only had a small one, which is so sad. It's been out of stock forever, and I'm so excited to have it back. I can definitely tell when I use it and when I don't. I have used the Tarte Shape Tape in the past, but I just felt like it was so dry. So I'm gonna try the Ultra Creamy. It felt really good on my skin, so I'm excited about that. And then I'm a long time user of It CC Cream, but I've been using the Giorgio Armani, and I just want to see if I like this still. So I got a little one of that, and this is, I got this. This is brush cleaner, which I desperately need because my brushes are absolutely terrible. And then I went to the beauty supply place yesterday and I got more shampoo and conditioner. I love this stuff. I usually use Color Proof or Color Prof or whatever it's called, but they're sold out. The beauty supply store is sold out of everything. So I have tried the volume of this, and so I need to try the Repair. My hair is so dry right now. So anyway, little beauty haul for you, in case you're interested. I still need recommendations for skincare stuff. So if you have something you love, let me know in the comments, please. Okay, it's the end of the day and I look like it's the end of the day. I'm gonna end the vlog here and I'm gonna go take a bath and wash my hair because I need it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night or good day, whatever time you're watching it. I usually end these at night, so I always say have a good night, but you could be watching this in the morning. So if it's the morning, have a good morning. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.